And guys, this video has been approved for all ages by the one and the only world famous Little Moose. You gonna say anything today, Moose, or are you gonna be quiet like you are in all my videos? She ain't talking again. So today, guys, I want to take a look at this item that I bought from Stellarvue. It is their CW-1 Counterweight System. Now, as you can see from their website, this is made to put on the top of the rings, which are threaded 1/4-20 and have 1.5 inch spacing. Now, I'm going to be doing something different, which will be another video. And the current price is $69.95. And as per their website, you can see the counterweight shaft diameter, counterweight diameter, counterweight weight, the counterweight shaft length, and then you can also buy extra counterweights with the thumb screw for $24 each. Now, I did buy 2 of these, and this has not been opened, so I'll just show you the care that they took. Very happy with the way they were packed. And obviously these 2 boxes were in a larger shipping box. Your counterweight, this is your mounting bracket, then this is the counterweight shaft, and then they have the 2 stainless steel socketed cap screws taped to that. So just thought I'd show that. I haven't taken this one apart yet. I've got some projects. Like I said, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different on how I mount these, but that'll be for my next video. So here, guys, you see the components that you'll get. Obviously, the counterweight with the knob, counterweight shaft, nicely machined, stainless steel. It's threaded on this end to accept the counterweight stop, which basically is a fender washer, stainless steel, and then this stainless steel bolt. And then they supply 2 1/4 inch 20 by 5/8 long socketed cap screw stainless steel. And then we have this block that the counterweight shaft attaches to, and then you see the 1.5 inch spacing here in their counterboard here to accept your socket head cap screws. So I thought it would be interesting to show each component. So now here you have the locking knob that goes onto the counterweight to lock it to the shaft. As you can see, it is threaded 1/4-20, and the length of that is 1 inch long. And the counterweight itself, stainless steel, nicely machined, very smooth, chamfered edges, very nice. Next we have the counterweight shaft. Now, as stated, it's 10 inches long overall, but the actual shaft length that the counterweight can slide on is 9 inches. And guys, interestingly enough, the threaded end is actually 1/2 13. And the threads are formed very nicely, no burrs, very nice. So this is the opposite end of the counterweight shaft, and as you can see, it is threaded, and that thread is 1/4-20, and that's the end that will accept the counterweight stop. And that counterweight stop bolt is, as stated earlier, that hole is bored 1/4-20. So the bolt is 1/4 stainless steel by 5/8 of an inch long. This will require a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to tighten it. And then the actual stop part is just your standard stainless steel fender washer, 1/4 inch diameter hole by 1 inch outside diameter. And guys, last but certainly not least is the block that holds all that to the telescope rings. Nicely machined, smooth surfaces. There you see your 1.5 inch spacing, 1/4 inch to accept 1/4 inch diameter socketed cap screws, counter bored out. Very nicely done. And then you'll notice, which is a nice touch, that it actually has an inserted stainless steel insert, which again is threaded for your 1/2 inch 13 thread that is on the counterweight shaft. Really nice. Very happy with this. And like I said, I've got a I'm going to be mounting this differently. Again, that's going to be for another video. There you have it, guys. Very nice. Happy with the purchase. Thought I would showcase this so that you can see exactly what you're getting.